Yeah, ọ̀rọ̀ tó ti ń bẹ́yìn yọ o. Ọ̀rọ̀ tó ti ń bẹ́yìn yọ. Lórí ọ̀rọ̀ justice Mohbad yìí náà tún sí ni. Ẹ̀yin àgbàlẹ̀bọ̀ ẹni tí náà bá ti tán láṣọ, ẹ̀jẹ̀ ò ní tán lè kánná o. Tí náà bá ti tán láṣọ, ẹ̀jẹ̀ ò ní tán lè kánná. Àwọn àṣírí kan tó ti jáde tó point Wùnmí pé àníṣe òun ló gba ẹ̀mí Mohbad. Tí ò bá jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀, ẹjọ́ ta ló ń jẹ́ Túndé, máníjà Naira Marley. Báwo ni èdè àìyedè ṣe wá láàrin Naira Marley àti Mohbad tó fi di wípé Mohbad sọ wípé òun ò bá Naira Marley ṣiṣẹ́ pọ̀ mọ́ látàrí wípé bí máníjà Naira Marley tá mọ̀ sí Túndé bí ó ṣe promote Mohbad bó ṣe yẹ kí ó promote ẹ̀. Mohbad ní máníjà títí ẹ̀ torí Naira Marley sọ fún Mohbad wípé o lè mú máníjà wá, òun ní máníjà tòun tó máa promote ẹ̀, ló jẹ́ kí Mohbad abandon máníjà ti pé yá jẹ́ kí n wo nǹkan tí máníjà tiẹ̀ fẹ́ ṣe. So wọ́n wá sọ wípé setup yìí ó wà láàrin Wùnmí àti Naira Marley. Àárín yìí ò yé mi ò understanding. Ó ṣókùnkùn sí mi but ọmọbìnrin yìí ó wá tan ìmọ́lẹ̀ sí i. Ó tún ní ọmọkùnrin kan tó dárúkọ tó jẹ́ máníjà Mohbad tẹ́lẹ̀. Mo gbàgbé orúkọ bọ̀bọ́ yẹn. Ó ní bọ̀bọ́ yẹn ni Mohbad ń jà fún pé kó lè padà wá di máníjà òun tó ti ń ṣe tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀. Ó ní kété tó kù lọ́dọ̀ Naira Marley, ǹjẹ́ kí bọ̀bọ̀ tá à ń sọ yìí ó kò dé sàpá mi lórí, ǹjẹ́ kí bọ̀bọ̀ yìí padà wá di máníjà ẹ̀? Kò dé padà di máníjà ẹ̀ mọ́. Ẹ wo ọ̀rọ̀ lọ́rọ̀ kì máa ń dùn lẹ́nu títí mi. Ọ̀rọ̀ lọ́rọ̀ kò kì máa ń dùn lẹ́nu títí mi. Ó máa dá kẹ́ gbọ́ lẹ́nu ọlọ́rọ̀ torí ẹ̀yin Yorùbá lẹ́bọ̀ ẹni ẹnu oníkan láti ń gbọ́ pọ̀n, ẹnu ọlọ́fà láti ń gbọ́ pé mo ta. Ṣé rí justice for Mohbad bó bá ṣe ń pẹ́ sí èmi sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ làṣírí ṣe máa tú sí. Àwọn tẹ́ expect pé agere ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ṣì máa ṣí mọ́ lórí, àwọn ló máa ṣí mọ́ lórí. Ẹ máa wò bọ̀, ẹ wá gbọ́ nǹkan tárábìnrin sọ.
And they don't have anything to say just to make us feel like we have not achieved anything.
Ṣẹ́gbọ́.
Was not marketing Mohbad well. That was what Wunmi claim happened. That made Mohbad to leave Naira Marley because
Ṣẹ́gbọ́.
he wanted to change his manager and blah blah blah. It doesn't go well with Naira Marley, and here we are today. When this guy now finally left, because he wanted his friend Ayan to come and be his manager.
Ayan.
He now left Naira Marley.
Ayan mo fẹ́ rántí lẹ́ẹ̀kan.
Why is it that Ayan is not there again to be his manager? Has Ayan managed anybody? No. Up until as we speak now, he may be a show promoter, but he has never managed anybody. Why did he leave? And when Mohbad went to fight a war with Naira Marley and come back, why is Ayan not in the picture again? That's my number one question. If I said I have a friend like Vengeance, and I've been treated very bad, and I've been with Vengeance before as a friend, maybe for one reason or the other, because I want a higher pay and I want bigger audience. And when my manager over there are not doing what my former manager are doing, then I say I'm leaving. I've already talked with Vengeance, my friend, right, and my manager, and we have agreed that when you leave, you manage me. So when I leave, why is Vengeance not managing me again? I asked that question. Nobody was able to give me a definite answer. Why is he now the manager of Mohbad after he left Naira Marley? That's number one question I asked. When was the outlook of Wunmi now? It was all planned out by Wunmi. So now, you are telling me a story, and these two people you will claim they are friends. They have never been friends like they used to be before Mohbad went to Naira Marley for another reason entirely. This same guy that come now and be doing like I'm here and there, well, there was one of those big people that rushed into Mohbad that was called to come and see the dead body of Mohbad even before Mohbad family. What is the relationship between Wunmi and Ayan? That the relationship was not there between Mohbad and Ayan. And Wunmi is trying to say, because when you commit crime, and you want to cover it, you are thinking of yourself. You are not looking at the angle of where other people is looking at it from. And I'm looking at it from, okay, you say you are my boyfriend friend, and then you guys have worked before, and then I saw a bigger audience and a bigger platform to market me, and those people say they don't want me to bring my manager because I have a story. When I got there, the manager they gave me, I now say, okay, after working with that manager for a few years, I now say, no, I don't want this manager. I was not doing what he's supposed to do for me.
Yeah.
Then I want to bring in my former manager.
You have right.
The company refused.
Can you
I
imagine?
went to work with the company because of that, my friend. When I now come out and regain that freedom that I solely wanted because of my friend, why is my friend not my manager?
Something wrong somewhere.
That to people. As the late Mohbad realize now that my friend is bigger than the job I want to give to him, or the friend is not even in the dictionary of when I'm leaving Naira Marley. All this is seeking for a very vital answer. And that friend that was not friend in the frame of friend that Wunmi was calling Ayan before the fire of Igerudwa has now become the best friend of Mohbad to Wunmi. This same friend was not the friend that Wunmi was portraying when Mohbad was alive. Because statistics have shown that when Ayan was with Mohbad before Mohbad moved to Malian's house, Ayan we got a show for Mohbad, for example, 1 million naira. And Ayan would have taken his cut and tell Mohbad, okay, this show go for 500,000 naira. Then when they get to that show and was paid, Mohbad will now say, okay, as my everything. You have more than 5 for monitoring. As a monitoring spirit, monitoring. Everybody speaking. You can hear this one. Your next talk. You can give me answer. You know how to give answer directly or indirectly. So now, Mohbad fight. And everybody who may have misled everybody to believe that the death of Mohbad was blah 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 blah. From Naira Marley, from Sam Larry, all video was flying. Anya and Zlatan, all of them were posted the video they had before Mohbad died. Now the story have changed. The story have changed. If you say you are a friend of Mohbad, especially the guy that come out and be telling us, Mohbad, I was like, why are you saying this? When Nancy was on drugs for more than 18 years before she finally died, her family never mentioned this because they know if you say it, the lawsuit that will follow is for you, your family will not be able to pay it. Her friends, nobody was talking about it. Mohbad was alive and you were telling everybody that Mohbad had suicide ideation. You said did Mohbad ask you to do that on his behalf? You were asked about your life, about the story of Bella Shmurda, how Bella became Bella. You were never saying that, but you go strictly to Mohbad issue. Who asked you that? So that you can tell the whole world, when after this happened, then you now say, he has been trying to attempt suicide. That's another red flag. Are you planning for this young man to fight? You released that statement less than a year and the boy died. That's another red flag. And today, Bella Shmurda came out and said, Baba Mohbad, go and bury Mohbad, and give Baba 200,000. Like Baba have never seen money before. Is it no money that Baba used to train Mohbad? Your gift of 200,000 will do what? Go and bury Mohbad. So, Adebi Mohbad is not exhumed. And Mohbad was buried in a way that dishonor human being.
In fact, it's not even good.
Will you keep quiet?
The way they bury Mohbad that time is not even good at all. Thank God they exhumed it.
As we go along, as we are going step by step in this case, and things now turn, because I don't want to even go too much into that story. Things turn around about a month ago when the driver come out and tell us his own story. His own story. Baba said, one police officer told him, hello, someone you said in Yawati or Continga. Already the police already told Baba.
Can you imagine?
Yawati or Koroja.
You see?
That is on a great prime boy in a way. Now, is that how to call a father of a deceased we find out in our investigation now that your daughter-in-law and your son fought, which led to. Is that how to tell a mourning or a grieving father? Come say name of someone you see? That's where police compromise. Before police will agree, because when we are talking, I want us to look at some certain thing. Before police will say lost no money, more than 3 or 4 people out of 25 people that came, the police claim they interviewed have said they fought in that house. And
Amen.
So, by the time we look at all the variables in this justice for Mohbad, number one, Wunmi Cynthia was angry because of that one statement that came out of Ileoluwa's mouth. And what was it? Ẹ̀kọ́ ni mo bẹ́ẹ̀ sùn, òun ló gbé wá. Wọ́n ti sọ pé ká lọ ṣe díẹ̀ ní ọmọ yìí tó sọ nínú mọ́tò nígbà tí àwọn èrò wà bẹ́ẹ̀ was not in their bedroom. That was the core thing that èmi ló sọ ọ̀rọ̀ báyìí fún lójú gbogbo àwọn bíi márùn-ún. Even though one or two out of them say mi ò gbọ́.
Ṣé ẹ gbàṣírí yẹn?
Àrùsàkà kọ́ máa tà sí èmi ò gbọ́ nígbà tó ń jà o.
Ṣé ẹ gbàṣírí yẹn bó ṣe tú?
Àfọláṣadé ṣe
Ẹ̀ẹ̀kan ni mo bá ẹ sùn Ògbólúwa. Ẹ̀ẹ̀kan ni mo bá ẹ sùn Ògbólúwa. Yá lọ ṣe DNA ìjà bá dé. Ayé máa jì. Ó ní wọ́n jà. Àbí? Ọbẹ̀ ti rí bẹ́ẹ̀ bàbá yìí. Wọ́n ṣì ń kọ́ fún ẹni. Ló bá tán. Àbí? Ọ̀nà tọ́rọ̀ máa bẹ́yìn yọ. Liar. Typical liar. 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 Can you imagine? Fantastic question.
Someone dies slowly. When they say slowly,
Slowly.
how many
5 minutes. Let's assume it's 10 minutes. How many minutes to have the hospital? Ó kú fún Indomie. Àwọn ọ̀ka èèyàn.
I take it to God. My goodness. Mohbad Akunlofeni. But thank God. And every step of this inquest, stop and search, stop and search, stop and search. We are seeing a lot of
hidden agenda, hidden secrets.
And so many of these come out. Around 12 on Tuesday, the boss of the driver called him and said, "Ẹni tó gbé ó ti kú." At 9 a.m., they call him, "Go and report yourself on Tuesday." Wunmi said her partner, Mohbad, died 3:20. What is the nurse said I came in at 2:30, between 2 and 2:30. Zoro said he died on Thursday. 2 times. Mohbad said, "No, on Monday, Zoro said he died on Monday, General. Not on Tuesday, General. Monday. Died on Monday."
Ẹ wo ọ̀rọ̀ láti gbọ́ lẹ́nu arábìnrin lórí ọ̀rọ̀ analysis tó ṣe gbogbo igi tó wò mí ẹjọ́ kí lẹ̀yin rí sí kí lẹ̀ rí sí analysis yẹn kí ni plan Wunmi láàrin yẹn pẹ̀lú Naira Marley kí ni motive tí statement tí Mohbad sọ yẹn pé ẹ̀ẹ̀kan ni mo bá ẹ sùn ògbóyún wá níbo náà ti ń ṣe irú ẹ̀ lótìtọ́ àti lódodo amọ̀pẹ́ ẹ̀kan doyún yà ẹ̀kan doyún lóòótọ́ but ṣé yẹ kí Wunmi wá gbé ìgbésẹ̀ tó wá gbé yẹn ṣá ó dẹ̀ tún ní ok jẹ́ ká lọ ṣe DNA test kí ló bá dín bẹ́ẹ̀ tọkọ ẹ bá sọ pé ok o ọkàn mi ò true sí oyún tó gbé wá fún mi jẹ́ ká lọ ṣe DNA test òun ló fa gbogbo nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí o òun ló fa gbogbo nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí o ẹ jọ ẹ bá mi fi èrò ọkàn yín hàn lábẹ́ comment section kí lè èrò ọkàn titi yín èrò ọkàn tèmi òun lèmi ti sọ yẹn ọ̀fẹ́ ni comment ọ̀fẹ́ ni like ọ̀fẹ́ ni subscribe ẹ subscribe kẹ́ comment kẹ́ dẹ̀ like ẹ jẹ́ kí n mọ èrò ọkàn tí yín lórí àṣírí tí arábìnrin yìí tú mo tún padà bọ̀ tí n bá tún rí any information tí mo rí pé máa wúlò fẹ́yìn olólùfẹ́ mi ò ní hesitate láti mú wá fún yín mo tún padà bọ̀ ire o.